Exercise 2.3, question number 5. Factorize x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now we need to factorize this. So first of all, we will try with the value x equal to 1. The polynomial is given to us as p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now p of 1 will be 1 cube minus 3 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. Now 1 cube is 1 square is 1, 3 ones are 3, minus 9 minus 5. Now we see that we have 9 threes are 15, 9 and 3 12, 12 and 5 17, that is minus 17 is equals to minus 16, which is not equal to 0. So x equal to 1 is not the factor, is not the 0 of the polynomial. Now we will try with x equal to minus 1. So we will find p of minus 1, that will be minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1's cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, 3 ones are 3. Next minus minus plus 9 ones are 9, then minus 5. Now if we see minus 1, minus 3 and minus 5 all sums up to minus 9 plus 9. This equals to 0. So that means x minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, and therefore x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. So we got one of the factor as x plus 1. Now to find other factors, we will divide the given polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 with one of the factor, that is x plus 1. To find other factors, we have to go with division method. Now we see we need to make up x cube, so we will multiply with x square. We get x cube here. Then x square multiply by 1 also, so we get 1x square. Now in division, we will change the sign. X cube minus x cube cancelled. Minus 3 and minus 1 is equals to minus 4x square. Then we carry on minus 9x. Now x is multiplied by 4, minus 4 minus 4x to make up minus 4x square. Minus 4x into plus 1, it gives minus 4x. Then we change the sign here. This got cancelled. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5x. Carry on minus 5. Now we need to make minus 5x. We have x here, so we multiply with minus 5. We get minus 5x. Minus 5 into plus 1, it's minus 5. We will change the sign, it will get cancelled. Remainder is 0. So now we can write p of x as x plus 1 multiply x square minus 4x minus 5. Now we need to find the two factors of the quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus 4x minus 5. So we can write here x square minus 4x minus 5 is equals to, we'll split the middle term, so x square minus 5x plus x minus 5. We'll split the middle term and then we'll take up the common. So x common, x minus 5, here plus 1 common, x minus 5. Now we have x minus 5 as the factor and x plus 1 as the factor. So we can write all the three factors of polynomial p of x as x plus 1, and instead of this quadratic equation we can write the two factors, that is x minus 5